Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you my first ever spiral nail using dip powder. If this is your first time watching my videos and you want to learn the numerous ways dip powder could be used to achieve beautiful nail design, make sure to subscribe, click on the bell and turn on post notifications. So let's get started. So this is the products I'll be using today. I've already prepped and buffed and pushed back my cuticles, and I've already stuck on my BU clear tips which I got from Amazon. So first off, I start by placing a layer of clay on all of my nails. I'm not building up the nails because I'll be putting glitter on them, which would build it already. Except for the ring finger though, I'll be building that as usual because that is just going to be a clear nail. Now I start with a pinky. How I do it is I place the acrylic brush in the Seal Protect, then into the clear acrylic, then the glitter, ensuring to pick up a small bead, and I just place them on the nail. I randomly selected which glitter went on my nails. So that color is pink glitter. Now I'm going in with lilac glitter. Then blue, then this beautiful green glitter, and then white glitter. Now moving on to the middle finger, I place a bead of glitter onto my nails. These glitter are so beautiful. Also, these glitter are not as chunky as the ones I did on my previous video, hence the reason clear acrylic is necessary with this nail. I have a video showing how I apply chunky loose glitter with dip powder. I'll link it in the cards. It's very detailed, so if you're confused, just watch that video and you'll be unconfused. Also, leave a comment to let me know that you watched the whole video, if you watched the whole video, and also let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see from this channel also. After I'm finished with the thumb, I encapsulate the nails by placing a few layers of clear on the nails. I did 3 layers of clear acrylic. I'm not going to show you me encapsulating all the nails. I'm just going to show you one nail, you know. Okay, so now I dust off the excess. Then I use activator and wait for it to harden. I think I waited about 10 minutes for it to harden. Better to be safe than sorry. Now it's time for filing. This is after filing. So let's go back in the past for a second. So I'm pouring some Seal Protect into a glass. Don't waste it, that shit is expensive. So I'm attempting to place the powder, clear and glitter onto the straw. And as you can see, it was not happening. This went on for a good while, but it's sped up so you won't see that. It was making a lot of mess, as you can see, and I was getting frustrated. But after a while, I saw it sticking to the straw. I was hyped. Anyway, so I continued with the spiral. As you can see, I changed my paper towel because I couldn't stand seeing all that mess. My blend wasn't great, but it wasn't bad at all. So you see, kids, never give up. I didn't. And look, I have a beautiful spiral depowder nail. So I know some of you are probably wondering where are my glitter nails. Well, I did this spiral before I started on my nails. I just inserted the clip here because if the spiral didn't happen, I wasn't going to be doing this nail design. Thank God it worked out. So anyway, I just continue dipping the acrylic brush into the Seal Protect, then into the clear and glitter, and just moving forward, you know, with my spiral, filling in any spaces that needed to be filled. No. So I left a lot in this video. I hardly edited anything out. I just sped most of the video up. I just wanted to show the process that I went through, you know, in order to achieve this spiral, you know, starting from being shitty and then now I'm less shitty. So, you know, I just wanted to show the process. So that's why I left most of it. So please watch the whole video, you know. So anyway, I encapsulated the spiral and then I left it to set. Right now, this is me trying to take it off the straw. It took a while because I was scared it would break. So I was being way too gentle on it. Then I tried it on to see how it looked. I now pronounce you. Just kidding. Now back to the future I go. Now I take the spiral and I clean the edges of the spiral with my e-file so that the edges look clean and nice. I place the spiral back on the straw in order to top coat. this is after filing, and now I'm placing more activator onto the nails. Now it's top coat time. I love this part. You know, the top coat makes everything look so amazing. So the spiral is dry now, so I'm placing it on my ring finger to complete the look. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. It looks so good for a first time. No, give myself a little pat on the back. This is the finished look. Now I'm placing some cuticle oil on my cuticles, obviously. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like. Please tell me what you think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.